Welcome back. Today we're starting a bold 7-day weight loss challenge. Lose 10 kilograms in 1 week. This isn't just about the number on the scale, it's about pushing your limits and discovering what you're capable of. The next 7 days will demand focus, discipline, and commitment. I'll guide you step by step, from what to eat, to how to train, to how to stay motivated. Think of this as a reset, a chance to break old habits and build a foundation for lasting change. If you're ready to commit, grab a notebook and let's get started. This is more than a weight loss video, it's your blueprint for transformation. By the end of this week you'll feel lighter, stronger, and more in control. Let's do this together, the journey starts now. Before you change your body, you have to change your mind. Set your goal, 10 kilograms in 7 days. Say it out loud, write it down, make it real. This isn't a wish, it's a promise to yourself. Your mindset is your foundation. When cravings hit or motivation dips, remember your why. Visualize your success. See yourself stepping on the scale, feeling proud and energized. Tell your friends and family about your goal. Ask for their support. No junk food, no distractions. Prepare your environment for success. Remove temptations, stock up on healthy foods, and set reminders of your commitment. Every decision this week counts. Water over soda, a walk over the couch, discipline over comfort. Pause if you need to, but make your declaration now. The challenge begins in your mind. Win there and the rest will follow. This is your mission. Own it. Visualize, declare, and commit. Every small choice is a step toward your goal. When it gets tough, remember why you started. You're not just changing your body, you're changing your life. Let's lock in that intention. The first battle is won in the mind. Now let's move forward. Your diet is your most powerful tool this week. We're going high protein, low carb, no processed foods, no sugars, no starchy carbs. Fill your plate with lean proteins, chicken, turkey, fish, eggs. Add plenty of non-starchy vegetables, broccoli, spinach, kale, peppers, cucumbers. Protein keeps you full, preserves muscle, and boosts calorie burn. Vegetables provide fiber and nutrients with minimal calories. Absolutely no sugar, bread, pasta, rice, or potatoes. These halt fat burning. Cutting carbs depletes glycogen and water weight, giving you a quick motivational boost. After that, your body starts burning fat for fuel. Sample day eggs and spinach for breakfast, chicken salad for lunch, salmon and veggies for dinner. Keep it simple and consistent. This is a short-term focused plan for rapid results. Stick to it. No cheats, no exceptions. The discipline you build now will serve you long after this week. Remember, this is a kickstart, not a forever diet. Let's fuel your transformation. Diet is king, but exercise is the queen. To hit your goal, you need daily, intense workouts, both cardio and strength training. Do 45-60 minutes of moderate to high-intensity cardio every day, running, cycling, rowing, or brisk walking. Try HIIT short bursts of all-out effort followed by brief recovery. It burns calories fast and boosts your metabolism. Add full-body strength training 3-4 times this week. Focus on squats, deadlifts, presses, and rows. Muscle burns calories even at rest. Don't skip it. Schedule your workouts like appointments. Make them non-negotiable. Create a motivating playlist and remember your why when it gets tough. Cardio melts calories. Strength training builds your metabolic engine. Expect soreness. It means you're changing. Embrace the discomfort. It's proof you're pushing your limits. Every workout brings you closer to your goal. Stay consistent, stay strong. This is your 1-2 punch for rapid fat loss. Push yourself. You're capable of more than you think. Let's get moving. The results will follow. Don't overlook water and sleep. They're essential for success. Drink 3-4 liters of water daily. It boosts metabolism, flushes fat byproducts, and keeps you full. Carry a water bottle everywhere. Drink before you feel thirsty. Often thirst feels like hunger. Drink first, then decide if you're really hungry. Now sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours every night. Sleep is when your body repairs, recovers, and regulates hunger hormones. Poor sleep increases cravings and slows fat loss. Turn off screens an hour before bed. Create a relaxing routine. Read, stretch, or take a warm bath. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Prioritize sleep as much as your workouts. Hydration and rest are your secret weapons. They'll help you recover, stay energized, and burn more fat. Don't skip them. Optimize your body for results. You're building a foundation for lasting change. Accountability is key. Track everything. Weigh yourself every morning, same time, same conditions. Write it down. Don't stress over daily fluctuations. Focus on the overall trend. Keep a simple journal. Note your energy, mood, and hunger. If you plateau, review your data, adjust your diet or increase cardio. Tracking keeps you honest and motivated. Share your goal with a friend or family member. Send them your daily weigh-in. Public accountability adds extra motivation. If you're comfortable, post your journey on social media. You're not just accountable to yourself, you're accountable to your word. Use your data to make smart adjustments. Celebrate every bit of progress. Tracking turns guesswork into results. Stay focused, stay honest. You're in control of your journey. Let's finish strong. You did it. You completed the 7-day challenge. You've proven what's possible with focus and discipline. But this isn't the end. It's your new beginning. Use what you've learned to build a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. Gradually reintroduce healthy carbs, keep prioritizing protein and veggies, and find exercise you enjoy. The real reward is the discipline and confidence you've gained. Don't slip back into old habits. Let this be your springboard. Keep moving forward, one healthy choice at a time. Thank you for joining me. Now go show yourself what you can do. See you in the next video.